What if I told you one of Cambodia's most heartbreaking legends lives inside the shape of a mountain? This is the Cambodian version of Puthisen Neang Kong Rey, also known as the 12 Sisters. Similar version exists across Southeast Asia, but today we're following the Khmer telling. Long ago, a couple prayed for children, and 12 daughters were born, but raising 12 children brought the family into poverty. Desperate and unable to provide, their father led them deep into the forest and left them behind. The sisters caught fish for food. 11 injured both eyes of their fish, but the youngest, Neang Pov, spared one eye. That small act of compassion changed their faith. An ogress named Santemea discovered them. Disguised as a kind woman, she brought the sisters to her kingdom. The palace looked beautiful, but the girls were prisoners. An old man secretly warned them that their mother was actually an ogress who planned to eat them. The sisters escaped and were later discovered by King Priyabat, Rotasit, who welcomed them into his palace. But Santemea followed. She transformed herself into a beautiful woman, won the king's affection, and became his most powerful queen. Then she pretended to be ill and claimed that only medicine made from the sisters' eyes could save her. The sisters were imprisoned inside a cave. Neang Pov was left with one eye, and she gave birth to a son named Puthisen. Puthisen grew into a brave young man. He secretly visited the village, won rice through traditional games, and carried it back to his mother and aunts. When Neang Pov revealed the truth that she was his mother, the women were his aunts, and the king was his father, Puthisen knew he had to act. A dangerous letter sent him toward the giant kingdom, but a wise hermit changed its message. Instead of ordering his death, it commanded the giants to welcome him. There, Puthisen met Neang Kong Rey, Santemea's daughter. She fell deeply in love with him, unaware that he was her mother's enemy. Puthisen discovered the magical drum and medicine that could restore his family's sight. He took them and escaped on a magical horse. Kong Rey chased after him, begging him to return, but Puthisen chose his duty to his family over love. To stop her, he transformed the land between them into water. Kong Rey could never reach him. According to legend, her heartbreak became part of the earth, and her body transformed into Phnom Kong Rei, the mountain shaped like a sleeping woman. So when people look at that mountain, they don't just see rock. They see love, betrayal, sacrifice, and a woman whose story refused to disappear. I'm V, and this is Sabaidee Life, where every story begins with curiosity. Until next time, let's learn together. Bye!